Welcome to our 5 iSPOT pilot classes. Today we will introduce you about the fiber optic writing method. For fiber optic writing, prepare our LC interface fiber optic cable. Here, access the menu, navigate to personality, and change the receive mode to ANET. Ensure the universe setting matching between fixtures and console. On the console screen, go to Patch, Add Net, RDM Universe, enter the net group number shown on the fixture. Then click RDM to search and retrieve fixture information. Come forward to complete patching. If needed, select the fixture and click Edit to modify its address code or remarks.